Today you will learn how to add a watermark in Word. First, go to the top menu and click on the Design tab. Here you will see an option called Watermark in the Page Background section. Click on Watermark and you will see many ready-made watermarks like Confidential, Draft, or Sample. Simply click on any one of them and the watermark will appear behind your text. That's the fastest method. Now let's see how to create your own custom watermark. Again, click on Design, then Watermark, and choose Custom Watermark. A new window will open. If you want a text watermark, select Text Watermark. Then type the text you want, choose the font, size, and color, and keep Semi-Transparent checked so the text stays easy to read. Now click OK, and your custom watermark will appear in the document. If you ever want to move or resize the watermark, just double-click the top area of the page, then drag or resize it easily. That's it. You have successfully learned how to add a watermark in Word. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching.